Hi guys, magandang hapon. I-introduce ko sa inyo itong bago namin alarm panel. So itong alarm panel na to, alarm system siya for your home or for your business. It also comes with free application, yung app mada-download nyo sa Android or sa iPhone. So how does the alarm panel works? First, i-alarm ko siya.
Start home arm. Arm success.
Ngayon guys, for the door sensor, pag nag-detach siya, mag-a-alarm na yung alarm panel. So yun, dinisarm ko na siya using ng combination key. So ganun din guys sa motion sensor natin. So i-arm away ko siya.
Start away arm. Arm success.
Tapos kapag na-detect ng motion sensor na may gumalaw sa lugar, for example ngayon, ginagalaw ko yung kamay ko, yan, na-detect niya na. So yan, dinisarm ko na siya. So guys, for this package, we're selling it for 10K. You can contact me for free consultation. You can install it by yourself. Meron siya mga manual and instruction. But of course, kung gusto niyo magpa-install sa mga technicians namin, we are always welcome to visit you. But there will be installation fees will occur on top of dun sa 10K na package na bibili nyo. So guys, yung alarm kasamang app, downloadable siya free sa Google Store or sa App Store. You can always download them, create your account. From this app, you can control your alarm sa bahay, sa business nyo, and it will notify you if there is alarm. Also guys, you can also subscribe sa command center na may isang company na nag-o-offer ng 24/7 monitoring. So I think it's 350 pesos a month lang. They will monitor your alarm in case na mag-alarm yun. They will contact you right away. So they can assist you in case of any emergency. Comment lang, message me if you have any question. Feel free. Thank you so much. Bye. Stay safe.